Hello UniPlot community. Do you ever struggle to pinpoint data points in your graphs? In today's video, let's dive into a powerful UniPlot feature, cursor data tables. We will use cursors for precise data exploration and use cursor data table for a clear view of your values. Get ready to transform your data exploration skills and make those graphs sing. Let's jump in. Let's plot a sample curve for today's example. I have some data here. I will plot it in 2D YT to get the correct time. And let's take, for example, Gen 1 UTZ and load. And I will add some cursor from the shortcut menu by clicking on the curve. Then we can see this table that appear. And now as we move the cursor, we can see the value that is getting updated. If I now double click on the cursor and ask to show two cursors, I get some more information computed between the cursors. Now let's add a second dataset as well. I will go to Data, Data Exchange on document level, Add File, and select a few more. Okay. And close it. And add it again, and now I can see all the labels displayed in my graph, plus the source on the right. And now if I move my cursor, again, all the data is being updated between the cursor value, and I can compare, for example, the area under the curve for all the graphs. You can copy the data on the clipboard by right-click, copy to clipboard, and then pass it to Excel for any presentation you would need. But this table is not fixed in your report. Let's now add a customized cursor table for the template. I will right-click on a dataset, cursor, cursor data table. Here you have several options to select. First, I always usually let automatically update with cursor position. This way when I move my cursors, the data will be updated. Then the way your dataset will be represented, I like to select Y channel name with unit. And then all the data you want to see in the table. I will remove some of them to make it lighter and click on OK. Now I will select my table and show it here. Now when I move my cursors, I can see that the data in the table is being updated. If you want to edit the cursor, I can double click on it. And for example, line style cursor 1, let's make it a strong red color and maybe a bit wider. And now you can see it's getting updated and I can still move it. And again, the table, you might want it to get a bigger font, so we can do that. Okay, let's put some bold here on the top. And maybe a light background, maybe light gray. But that's not all. You can also set up conditional formatting. Let's select, for example, this line. Let's say I will add some conditional formatting using add rule and say whenever I am over 26, I want to display a red color to be warned about some information. You can see directly that those 2 points are above 26, so they get red. But I can move my cursor and maybe go to a zone where everything is fine. That's how powerful the cursor table data is. Thanks for watching us. For any question, contact us at support@uniplot.com. Come and check our website www.uniplot.com. And click on the logo to follow us on LinkedIn and get fresh news of UniPlot.